Namaste. Heartiest congratulations to all dear participants for successfully completing 21 days of meditation, living lively, getting unstuck to create a limitless life. On behalf of Rotary Club of Mumbai Ghatkopar, while celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and an initiative by Indian Knowledge System, we had organized this 21-day workshop of self-development for all Rotaractors, Rotarian and guest participants. We started this on 14th of November 2022 and we ended it on 4th of December 2022. All this 21-day long workshop was well participated and well organized by all the organizing team members and participants. We are happy to announce that all the participants who have successfully completed their 21 days will be awarded with a participation certificate. Those who are still having their journey, we are giving them some extra time till December 11th, 2022 to complete all the days. So wish you all the best. The journey is all yours. We congratulate all of you on behalf of Youth Avenue of Rotary Club of Mumbai Ghatkopar, consisting of Dr. Rotarian Savita Chauhan, who is the Director of Youth Avenue, and members IPP HP Singla Sir, Rotarian Kalpana Vasa Madam, Rotarian Sunil Puranik Sir, Rotarian Vivek Burke Sir, Rotarian Bhavna Ansari Madam, and Rotarian Kavita Ram Madam. All these members have congratulated all of you and wished you all the best to get yoga into your daily routine hereafter. As we all know, we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, all glorious 75 years of Indian independence, which we have started on 12th of March 2021 and which will end on 15th of August 2023. Indian Knowledge System IKS is an innovative cell under Ministry of Education and AICTE New Delhi. It is established to promote interdisciplinary research on all aspects of IKS and disseminate IKS for further research and societal applications. The Indian traditional knowledge system, that is Bharatiya Jnana Parampara, is division of Ministry of Education. The yoga word comes from yuja, that is to unite. Here in yoga, we learned how we can have a unity within our mind, soul and body. One true creative higher selves that we have tried to evolve with, the universal consciousness of God. The aim of yoga is to restore a state of perfect balance, and with this, Youth Avenue and Indian youth and all people involved will be definitely helped to go ahead to have a healthy and balanced and peaceful life. Yoga is not, my dear friends, as we all have now come to know that yoga is not just an isolated practice, but it is a state of mind. It is a state of living, a way of life. Yoga is believed to have originated in India about 5,000 years ago, and here with this workshop we have tried to give it a justice to get this knowledge to our current generations. Thank you all of you for participating in this workshop, and thank you for giving Indian knowledge system a voice through you. Many of our dear participants have personally messaged us. They have personally called us to tell that yes, they are immensely benefited with the workshop. Some participants have given this knowledge to their family members and other friends. This is really welcome. We have given you a feedback form so that you would receive your certificate when all of them complete their days of workshop, and you will be also contacted later when we will be having some programs on current and similar topics. So wish you all the best for your healthy life. May this Indian knowledge system through yoga bless all of us. Namaste.